Hello, Dr. Nègre from Nice, France. You're working for Invisalign now for a couple of years. You have a lot of cases, and I heard there's a new program. It's called Invisalign Go with a new software. Can you just explain in a few words for our viewers what is it and the differences to the full program?
Invisalign Go is quite new. Actually, you want me to? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Invisalign Go is a quite new program. It's now 2 years and a half old in France. They opened it in Germany, UK, Spain. They're starting to open it widely in Europe as now. It's specially made for GPs. The orthodontics don't have the Go program. The Go program is specifically done to move the teeth from 5 to 5 for limited crowded teeth and limited spaces. You can't move the back teeth, you can't change classes, of course, but you can have different type of treatment proposed. For example, here you can have IPR and attachment used on teeth, and here you have the second proposal without IPR, without attachment. Could be good for the patient because some of them don't want attachment in the front teeth. Maybe they don't like stripping. I didn't like my stripping because I had the treatment like 7 years before. I didn't like my stripping. But as you could see, the result is much better here than here. You go from there to there. Okay, it's a line, but it's not closed. Because using strippings, using attachment, you could achieve and you can achieve better movements and more predictable movements. The program will propose you at first one type of movement. If you're not satisfied with the results because you want less space here, you want that teeth a little bit more rotated, anything you want. You just have to click on the left part to modify the treatment. A right window will open. You type the modification you want to make. You send it to the technician, and the technician will make the change for you. Back and forth until you're satisfied, and the moment you order the aligners for the patient. For GPs, I mean for us, because I'm a GP, when you're not sufficiently trained with aligners, it really helps you understand how the system is working. You're not alone at the beginning, so it really helps you for small movements, small crowding for patients who wouldn't have go to the orthodontics, basically. So Go, in my opinion, for general practice is really helpful. Before treatments, before veneers, before aligners, before crowns, anything. You can move the teeth as you want, then make some restorative treatments if you want.
Okay, this is the Go program. In that case, if I have a bigger case, a heavy case, for example, where I have to move also the 6 and the 7, how can I use that as a GP, not as an orthodontics, as a GP? What do your company offer in heavier cases?
If the case is too important to move, you have here case action. You can transfer the case to someone provided with full. It's called comprehensive, Invisalign comprehensive. With GPs we don't have access to. So when you're not sufficiently trained, or if it's too much for us, we send them to orthodontics. So they do what they know to do.